Came across these the other day going through the leftover inventory from a card shop that closed in the 90s. These are 1996 Crown Pro Magnets Baseball. So Major League Baseball magnets, 5 magnets per pack. The box only had 6 packs. They're pretty weighty because they're magnets. And after comping them around, they actually go for quite a bit. But we're going to open one of these. Pack contains 5 MLB magnets, Pro Magnets Baseball, 1996. Got some examples down there. A couple of those wouldn't be bad pulling. Let's see who we get. Hey, Mark McGwire right on the top. Ah, there we go. There's 2 together there. Mark McGwire, Mike Piazza, Joe Carter, Paul O'Neill, Chuck Knobloch. 1996 Pro Magnets. There's a checklist. 94 in the set. 94 magnet cards in the set from 1996. Very cool.